Hello, welcome to PeineFix. I'm Ishwar. Today we are going to repair ASUS. Okay, customer has changed the battery, and unfortunately he has damaged the keyboard connector. Yeah. He brought the another laptop for parts, so he asked me to remove this connector and put in the another one. Unfortunately, the connector is not same. Okay, one is 24 pin, another one is 30 pins. I have ordered the connector. It is not exactly the same one, but 30 pins. So I am going to try to change the connector, and we'll see what happened. Always, first thing, we have to remove the battery. With the battery connection, it's not a good idea to remove the component, then we will make a problem bigger. Okay, battery out. It will turn on with a new battery. But after battery is drained, there's no charge. Okay. So to remove this one, if I put the hot wire from the top side, before that I need to protect these plastic connectors, otherwise it will melt. Okay, I have put the tape on it, so now I can use the hot air gun. So we have removed the old one. You can see there's no damage. That perfect. So perfect. We shall align the connector. Okay, you can see, and I'm going to solder it. Okay. Yeah. So I'm going to test the connection. Okay, always testing is good. Okay, number one. Okay, okay, perfect. Every pin is perfectly. Can you see? I have removed the tape, okay, and the connector, the plastic connectors nearby is in touch. Okay, there's no melting. The enter key is working, and I think the final keyboard is working. You see, so connection is good. Unfortunately, laptops works, but mouse trackpad doesn't work. So I think this I have a doubt on this cable because there's one trace is broken. So let us show you on the microscope. This is a good site. This was connected in the trackpad. And if you see this one, another side, you see, okay, there's a missing pad. Okay, can you see on the left and far right? So we need to repair this one too on the track here. Yes. Yes, and now can you see the mouse pointer is working? Okay, yeah, only this is for that customer has broken that keyboard connector, and this is only for the repair for the connector, but unfortunately he has unknowingly damaged that cable for trackpad, and I have fixed that too. Yeah, I'm happy. You see, the keyboard is working. Yeah, thank you for watching.